Yeah, there's something else we can try.
On my days, guys, on my days, yeah, so this morning I woke up, I had to think about the whole thing, and I forgot SoundCloud was completely forgotten about on the competition. So technically the results from last night are not 100% accurate, and you're going to see a preposition that I think is going to be the correct results for this week's entries to go through to the final round. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah, but you said that you were going to count the SoundClouds and use that as feedback for the results.
These are the winners. This week's winners. So how do you correct that? Opius, even though he got one vote in the live shows, but at the same time, Muffwav got put through. Yeah? But look, if you count the votes and on YouTube, on SoundCloud, Muffwav is actually got 17, and Vimpster's got more than Muffwav. So this calls for a meeting. Look, this is the order of votes. If you look at it like this, yeah. But look, listen, man. Fair's fair. Man like Deep, yeah. With 39 votes, and Opius with 22 votes. Even though he got one vote in the live shows, there's been a mess up here with the votes, and I think we need to correct it quick. So here's what's going to happen. To make it fair, we're going to have to put through. Yes, Massive and crew, back once again with another video, and I've got a quick announcement to announce for the competition. Now, based on the stats, the correct stats, yeah, this is the update now. I just want to say big up to everybody who took part in the competition last night and also took part in the live show. The live show was absolutely wicked. We had good fun and everything, but maybe it's not a majority decision. We had 60 people on the live stream last night making the votes, and the playback on YouTube and SoundCloud has hundreds of views and plays. So there's a lot of people that obviously didn't get involved in the live show, who obviously couldn't make it for whatever reason. And I did mention in an earlier video that we'd be referring to the SoundCloud results for some sort of feedback to influence decision making in the competition, even if earlier, not later. So I've got to now take that into consideration going forward. So please add your comments down below about that. You know, DJ Terrence, he was absolutely wicked with his intro last night. A man like Duke give me bare jokes, and you know, you guys have just been submitting and taking part, and you know, please guys, keep submitting your videos and sharing your SoundCloud, because it is very important. It is going to play a role in helping us to make our decisions so far, but please share it, because it's very important that you keep on doing so. So share the link for this channel so that more of your people are going to be in the live stream and vote for you to win the comp. All work in progress. I'm trying to get this whole thing set up nice. It's been absolutely sweltering hot in here, and I've been working out the mechanics of the live stream, the videos and everything, and trying to get that all coordinated. And I think I forgot to just literally include the SoundCloud stats, which has caused a bit of an issue. So please bear with me, people, because I've got to find a way now to incorporate the SoundCloud stats so that it's the results of last night are actually fully fair, or we're going to have to bring back a separate count for the SoundCloud, and then we're going to have to do them side by side and then merge them together based on the results for another SoundCloud knockout round. I need you guys to comment down below. Let me see your views on this so I can see how we can include the SoundCloud. I may just do it so that I just count the SoundCloud plays, add them to the total, and that's that. But you've got to bear in mind, like, all of the points that I said. I want to know your views before I make my final decision on that, because there's lots of different ways, and I'm going to take some time out and think about it as well. So as I said, I may just treat the SoundCloud separately in a competition and then bring them back together for one grand finale. So we'll see. In a moment, you're going to see why my thought process of just sharing a straight count from the SoundCloud to the main results of last night is not quite a mathematically practical way to do it. So stay tuned.